Hey everyone, welcome. Or if this is your very first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Jade.
And I'm Maya, and together we are the hosts of this little corner of the internet where we talk about, well, honestly, a bit of everything.
Life, culture, the stuff that's stressing us out, the stuff that's making us laugh. If it's on our minds, it's probably going to end up on this podcast.
So if you're new, buckle in. If you're a regular, hi, we missed you. Let's get into it. Okay, let's do proper introductions today because I feel like we jump straight into topics every episode and never actually tell people who we are.
Fair point. All right, I'm Jade. I'm the one who's usually got way too many tabs open, 3 different notebooks I'm using at once, and a strong opinion about something I probably shouldn't have a strong opinion about.
Accurate.
I got into podcasting because I love conversations that don't have a neat little bow on them. The ones where you start talking about one thing and somehow end up somewhere completely different 20 minutes later. That's basically what this show is.
It really is.
And honestly, doing this with Maya just makes sense because...
Because I balance out your chaos.
Yes, exactly that. Okay, your turn. Tell the people who you are.
All right, hi, I'm Maya. I'm the slightly more organized one of the two of us, though that's a low bar.
Low bar, accurate.
I like breaking things down, asking the wait, but why questions, and I'm the one who'll usually pull us back on track when Jade goes off on a 17-minute tangent.
It's happened.
It's happened often. But that's kind of the fun of this dynamic. I like structure, Jade likes spontaneity, and somewhere in the middle, we land on something that actually feels honest and real. That's what we want this podcast to feel like for you, like you're sitting in on a conversation between two friends, not listening to some polished, scripted thing.
Ironic, since we are currently reading from a script.
Shh, don't tell them that part.
Okay, but really, for anyone brand new, let's talk about what you can actually expect from us.
So every episode, we're diving into something worth talking about. Could be a current event, a personal story, something we've been wrestling with, a listener question, a trend we're obsessed with, or completely confused by.
Basically, if it made us text each other, okay, we have to talk about this, it's probably ending up on the show.
We also love bringing in different perspectives, so you'll hear us disagree sometimes. Respectfully, mostly.
Mostly.
Because we think the best conversations aren't the ones where everyone just agrees the whole time.
Exactly. We want you leaving each episode with something, a new thought, a laugh, wait, I've felt that too moment. That's the goal. Can I get a little real for a second?
Always.
We started this podcast because we kept having these amazing long conversations, just the two of us, over coffee, on the phone, wherever, and every single time one of us would say, we should record this.
And for the longest time, we just didn't.
Right? Because it's scary to put your actual thoughts out there, unscripted, unpolished, just you.
But eventually we figured, you know what? If these conversations are helping us, making us think differently, feel less alone, laugh when we needed it, maybe they could do that for other people too.
So, here we are.
Here we are.
All right, so let's talk about what's actually on the table for today.
Yes, today we're getting into this, and I have a lot of thoughts.
You always do.
I do. We're going to break down what's going on, share our honest takes, probably disagree at least once.
Definitely at least once.
And by the end, hopefully you'll walk away with a new way of looking at it, or at the very least, entertained for the next however many minutes.
We might also touch on a listener message or two later in the episode, so stick around for that.
Yes, we love hearing from you all. So if you've got thoughts, stories, questions, send them our way. We read everything.
Speaking of, if you enjoy what we're doing here, the best way to support the show is honestly just talk about it. Tell a friend, share an episode, leave us a review if you're feeling generous.
It genuinely helps more than you'd think. We're a small show trying to grow into something bigger, and every share, every follow, every comment, it matters.
And come hang out with us outside the podcast, too. We're around. We like chatting with you all, so don't be a stranger.
Yes, come say hi. Tell us what you want to hear more of, what topics you're curious about. This show is as much yours as it is ours at this point.
All right, I think that's enough of us talking about ourselves.
Speak for yourself. I could do this all day.
Noted. But let's actually get into today's conversation, because I know you've got opinions and I am ready to hear them.
Oh, I've got so many. Okay, everyone, get comfortable, grab your coffee, your tea, whatever you're sipping on right now, and let's get into it.
Let's do it. This is Podcast Name. I'm Maya.
I'm Jade.
And let's get started.